Importing automotive performance tuning equipment and devices for racing enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Customs Brokerage series, where we bring you the most up-to-date information on all things related to customs, trade, and logistics. In today's episode, we will be discussing the process of importing automotive performance tuning equipment and devices for racing enthusiasts. So, let's dive right in. When it comes to importing automotive performance tuning equipment and devices, one of the key things to consider is obtaining a customs bond. A customs bond is a legal requirement that ensures compliance with the regulations set by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP. It acts as a financial guarantee to cover any potential duties, taxes, or penalties that may arise during the importation process. Another crucial aspect of importing automotive performance tuning equipment and devices is completing the Importer Security Filing, ISF. The ISF, also known as the 10+2 rule, requires importers to provide specific information about the cargo being imported to CBP before it arrives at a U.S. port. This information includes details about the shipper, consignee, and contents of the shipment. Failure to comply with the ISF requirements can result in penalties and delays in the clearance process. Importing automotive performance tuning equipment and devices for racing enthusiasts involves navigating the complexities of international trade. It requires a thorough understanding of various trade agreements, tariff classifications, and customs regulations. Partnering with a customs brokerage firm that specializes in automotive imports can greatly simplify this process, ensuring compliance and smooth importation. Once the customs bond is in place and the ISF has been filed, the next step is the customs clearance process. This involves presenting the necessary documentation to CBP, such as the commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading, and any applicable permits or licenses. Customs officers will inspect the shipment to ensure it complies with safety, environmental, and other regulatory requirements. In some cases, CBP may select the shipment for a physical examination. This can happen randomly or if there are any discrepancies or red flags with the documentation or the cargo itself. During a CBP examination, the shipment will be thoroughly inspected to ensure it matches the information provided and complies with all applicable regulations. Importing automotive performance tuning equipment and devices may also incur duties and taxes. The number of duties and taxes payable depends on various factors such as the country of origin, the value of the goods, and any applicable trade agreements or exemptions. It is important to work with a customs brokerage firm that can assist in determining the correct tariff classification and any potential cost-saving opportunities. Importing automotive performance tuning equipment and devices is not just about clearing customs. It is equally important to comply with post-clearance requirements, such as record-keeping, periodic reporting, and adhering to any additional regulations specific to the industry. Non-compliance can result in penalties, fines, or even the seizure of goods. And that wraps up our discussion on the process of importing automotive performance tuning equipment and devices for racing enthusiasts. We have covered the importance of customs bonds, the ISF filing, navigating international trade, the customs clearance process, CBP examinations, duties and taxes, and post-clearance compliance. Stay tuned for more informative videos on customs brokerage, trade, and logistics. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes. Disclaimer note below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.